Shisni hadian balami ke Jingkhang na ki executive member ke KHADC belalam kemat akseng VPP hakabede ke Jingkhang ya ke Khyrdop krong khajna balai wai da ka KHADC ha umdihar ke distrik Bhoi. U deputy commissioner ke distrik ula penchai balakang ya ke Khyrdop hadian ke bobot tek iki kendon an om belalek ke bor ne burom show ke district council. Habakran hakinong tho kubor u deputy commissioner ke district Bhoi Abhilash Baranwal uletho bagi bor penyak distrik adin beliau jing ujor nagi babon kila shemekarai ban khang ya ke Khyrdop krong khajna jong ka KHADC belai wa syuru shimat ke bela penteri Kamru harut ke surogma national highway ke belong bian kat kumki kendon an ke sarkar jela la ban kedau badang syan u executive member bekmi ya ketenat lan u ba po well soklet lambat u executive member bekmi ya ketenat trade u ba Winston Tony Lengdo kila pen pau ke jeng sokhya da ke bakeno bagi bor penet district Bhoi kila pen ibor da ke ba khang Khyrdop ya kane ka Khyrdop krong khajna jong ka KHADC haba juba balo kane ke jeng syakan tho u Abhilash Baranwal ulong belashim ke senjam man khang ya kane ke Khyrdop da ke babot ikenon an jong ke sarkar jela belepen benah ke senam arhajar arpuai bala mana ke jing peniang Khyrdop krong khajna ha kinu ke surok ba national highway neki surok PWD jong ke sarkar Meghalaya ulong ba uklam le persya ne don ke jing thmu ban burom chu ikhtiar jong ke KHADC namar ke jela ke badan ya ke 6th schedule nda ulong bale ya kane da ke bobot tek ya ki kendon an.
We have highest regards for KHADC. It's a 6th schedule state. So there is nothing like disrespecting KHADC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHADC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHADC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on national highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.